To add icons in Figma, start by clicking on the Figma icon in the top left corner, which will bring up a drop-down menu. From there, navigate to Plugins and then click on Manage Plugins. This will allow you to search for various plugins, and typing in icon will yield a range of options. There are numerous plugins available, each with its own set of icons and user base. For instance, two popular options are Icon Dog and Iconify, but there are many more to choose from. Once you've selected a plugin, you can browse through its icon library and search for specific icons, such as a $sign. If you can't find the desired icon in one plugin, you can easily switch to another. After finding an icon, you can customize its color and even add your own code. To import the icon, simply click on it and select Import Icon. The icon will then be added to your Figma design, where you can resize it and ensure it has a consistent width and height. You can repeat this process using various plugins to add multiple icons to your design. With these steps, you should now be able to add icons in Figma.